So I'm getting ready for our first big grocery haul of the year. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Just trust me. My hair is so staticky. I'm going crazy. I cannot take this winter static. If you deal with static in the winter with your hair, and you have any tips, can you seriously please leave them down below, because this girl needs them. I'm gonna run into Sam's Club. I need to get some fresh produce and a couple of things on my list. I just wanna see what's on sale, what is new, and grab what I need and get out. Ah, crap, they're already out, you guys. The mini Easter Cadbury eggs. Oh my gosh, for $14.98. Oh, that's tempting. All the Valentine's Day things are here. These cookies are super cute. Oh my gosh. On this trip, I am looking for those yellow tags for the instant savings. Rebecca just went speeding by and saying, "Hi, I love your videos." She was so cute. So, hi Rebecca. So I'm grabbing some Honeycrisp apples. The sign says $6.22. Now if we just come over here, the sign says $6.24. On the Scan and Go app, it says $6.32. I did walk by a manager and let him know that there is quite a mix-up in the apple department. Check when you're at the register for your prices, check your receipts, and talk to someone about it so they can change the price for you. All those little mistakes stores make add up. Of course, a horn is going off. My battery's blinking at me. Well, we're now here at Costco. I'm gonna give my hair another spray, and I'm gonna grab Derek's prescription and just a couple of things, and I'm done for the day. Let's go to Costco. From Unreal, I love their coconut bars. These are dark chocolate caramel peanut nougat bars. I really want to try these, but not for $15. Maybe they'll have them on sale. I don't know, I'll keep an eye on them. If you've tried these, will you let me know what you think? Oh my gosh. Yes, finally a sale on Cheerios. I swear, both Sam's Club and Costco, I haven't seen a sale on Cheerios for quite a while. So you could save $2.80 off the two 27.5 ounce boxes. Instead of $9.39, we're gonna pay $6.59. Nothing has changed with my kids. They love the Honey Nut Cheerios. Oh, and look, this is new at my Costco. They have the Magic Spoon cereal. This is keto friendly and it's gluten free, you guys. Try it out, maybe your kids will actually like it. A lot of my go-to items right now are on sale between Sam's Club and here at Costco. I can get our low-fat cottage cheese instead of $5.99. We can get it for $4.49. We'll save $1.50. That is awesome. And I needed yogurt. The brand that we like is Chobani, and this is their zero sugar yogurt. And this is a great sale. Oh my gosh, look at the price, you guys. We're gonna save $4.50 and get 16 cups for $8.99. That comes to around 56 cents a cup. That beats out Walmart. One of the things that I love to share here on She's in Her Apron is how you can save money on your groceries. Some other ways you can save on your grocery budget is you not going into the stores yourself. I love grocery pickup. Let them do the shopping. That way you could stick to your list. I love apps that will deliver the groceries to you. And I also have looked into grocery membership programs that can bring the groceries to you. And I think you're gonna be surprised at the value and savings that you can find with them as well. And one that I have mentioned here before on the channel is Thrive Market. And I'd like to thank them for sponsoring today's video. If you're new to Thrive Market, they're a membership-based online grocery store. And they're on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. This could be a great option for you. They have a monthly membership option for $12 a month and a yearly membership option for $59.95. You guys, that's only $5 a month. And you could shop for thousands of the best-selling organic foods and natural products below traditional retail prices. And if you find a better price somewhere else, they'll match it for you. Look for products with the Thrive Cash badge in the bottom left corner. Whenever you see this, you can expect to earn Thrive Cash back for that product purchase. Once you join, you can check out the deals section on the website or app to see the best deals and extra savings on your favorite products. And if you find a lower price somewhere else, they'll match it for you. So if you wanted to make Thrive part of one of your one-stop shopping, you totally can. They really do have an amazing selection on organic groceries, snacks, supplements, eco-friendly cleaning supplies, personal care items, organic kid products, non-toxic beauty items. I did try one of their lipstick, like lip glosses one time. Loved it. You'll make back your annual $60 membership back in savings. If you don't, Thrive Market will credit you the difference. My box came in today and I picked out some healthy options, mostly for snacking. I'm a big snacker, so. Who doesn't love like a puff chip? No cheese, cheesiness, grain-free with organic coconut oil. And they're vegan. So if you hop on their website, you're gonna see something that matches your diet and lifestyle. They have things from keto, gluten-free, vegan, paleo, Whole30. You could shop over like 90 plus diets and lifestyles. I like finding like healthy options. And also from Lesser Evil, I'm trying the Little Puffs, the Starberry Beet. And from Loftus Foods, we love their rice ramen. And this is their miso soup version, and I can't wait to try it. Okay, every time I go visit their site, I've been so intrigued by Yahi's Thai ginger garlic stir fry sauce. Yum. Join Thrive Market today and you'll get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $60. Okay, to get this great offer, you can click on the link in my description box or go to thrivemarket.com/she's in her apron. Here is the Costco haul. A package of romaine lettuce has 6 hearts in there. The Chobani Zero Sugar yogurts, there's 16 cups. There's strawberry, vanilla, blueberry, and mixed berry. What I love about this yogurt is it's lactose free, which my belly appreciates. Some Carb Balance Mission flour tortillas, a big block, 32 ounces, so 2 pounds of mild cheddar cheese. I am not sure how you're supposed to pronounce this. Amulu. They're chicken breakfast sausage links, and they are delicious. And they were on sale, so bonus. And Cheerios was on sale, if you can believe it. It's been a while, so I snagged 2 boxes of those. The Dairy Gold Old Fashioned Chocolate Milk. This won't last long, so that's a treat. This is 3 pounds of cottage cheese, and I'm gonna just start buying the big guy from Costco from now on, because the amount that we go through, it is actually better for our wallet to buy it in the big version. We're saving more money. Strawberries. This, of course, is expensive. It's not strawberry season, but we love the cottage cheese with the strawberries and the blueberries. 16 ounces, so a pound of fully cooked bacon. I want to try the organic Thai peanut sauce. It looks and like sounded just so good. Some chocolate covered almonds. This is like my guilty pleasure at night when I'm like just want to devour the sweets. I just grab a little handful of these and it just takes that craving away. The New Trail Blueberry Cinnamon Nut Granola. This is so good. I'll have it as cereal or I'll add it to that Chobani yogurt. Oh, it's so good. The Kirkland cauliflower crust pizza. You guys, this is delicious. It's gluten-free. It is so good. This is 48 ounces of broccoli. And then the sugar-free Jell-O cups. We have 8 strawberry, 4 lemon lime, 4 orange, 4 chocolate, and 4 chocolate vanilla swirl. And then the Bobo's Oat Bites. And there are 12 strawberry and the 12 apple. And they're plant-based and dairy-free. Oh, these are so good. And then the Orgain plant protein, chocolate flavored. So there are 18 in there. These are delicious. All the other Orgain was on sale, but not my plant one, of course. So from Made Good, the granola minis, there's chocolate chip and mixed berry pouches. They're small little balls and they're delicious. Costco had their version of what Sam's Club has of the crispy coconut rolls. So we're gonna give this a try and see how theirs is. I'm sure it's gonna be just as good. And 30 rolls of toilet paper. And this is my Costco haul. Let's hit the Sam's Club haul. Okay, I grabbed some paper plates for the 10-inch plates. They were on sale. Really good deal. I grabbed this sweater. It looks so cute. It is so cute. Like the sleeves are like kind of puffy sleeves. And I just loved the color. Some Always pads. I love their natural no stir creamy peanut butter. Yum. Whole cashews, lightly salted. I love putting a little snack baggie of these and then the chocolate covered almonds from Costco or Sam's Club together in a bag and just have them in my purse for snacking. 2 pounds of garlic. I'm gonna freeze some of this. And then the tomatoes on the vine. Oh, they looked so good. 5 cheese tortellini. So 2 packages. We can always cut this and then freeze 1/2. I am so excited to make one of my favorite soups. I've shared it before with you guys. 18 ounces of blueberries, green peppers. There are 6 in there and Sam's Club's price always beats out the grocery stores. Some more of the uncured Black Forest ham. Gotta have this for sandwiches, so good. And then the Philadelphia cream cheese was on sale. The price that it comes to for Philadelphia cream cheese beats out store prices like hands down. And it will sometimes beat out like the store brand of cream cheese. So that was a good deal. Some mini cucumbers. Oh, those look so good. Red grapes. They look delicious. Honey Crisp apples, a 4-pound bag. Bubba's English muffins, there's 12 in here. And then 2 loaves of bread and hamburger buns. The home style ranch dressing, yum, my favorite. I love this ranch, it's seriously the best. And 2 bags of chips, the Lay's Wavy and the Lay's Original, and they were on sale and that was a really good price. So this is my Sam's Club haul. My grocery budget, depending on the month, is $800 to $1,000. This includes buying ingredients for recipes that I share here on She's in Her Apron when there are bulk sales, like case lot sales here in Utah, or if we're near a holiday. But this month, I don't even think we're going to get close to $800. With these being the first shopping hauls of the new year, I spent at Sam's Club and Costco $363.30. And with the sales that they were having, I saved a total of $37.35. But I started calculating just a few of the groceries from each of the stores compared to my lowest price store, which is Walmart. And I was already saving over $20. There's a way I stack these and I don't remember. I was worried that maybe the good deal on the yogurts was because they were close to their expiration date or something. So I just looked and it's April of 24, so hot diggity dog. I'd like to catch this sale again before it's over. Did I just say hot diggity dog? Yes. Yes, I did. I got these bins at the Dollar Tree, you guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get organized. Oh, get your slow cookers out because we're gonna make my favorite pork loin recipe. I'm getting dinner on and I pulled out of the freezer, not yesterday, day before yesterday, a pork tenderloin. So we're gonna get that in there. This has been one of my popular videos here on YouTube, my pork loin recipe. It is so good, so good. All right, and this cooks up really fast in the slow cooker on low for 4 hours. So let me tell you about those hauls that you just saw. When I came home, the house was full of teenagers. Kids had friends over, they were having a blast. The boys helped me bring in the groceries, which was awesome. Good job on your test today. So I lined everything like you saw on the counters. I wasn't gonna do a voiceover, like I could film it and then do a voiceover, but that is a headache when it comes to editing. So I just put all the, I don't have a thing in here. Did you see that? Did you see that? That would have been so bad. Come closer, you're so far away. I put the perishables away in the refrigerator and freezer and then left everything else there. And then the next day, I took everything back out and filmed it for you. That is life. Roll, we do what we gotta do. That's the reality of like filming, you know, your groceries and stuff. And when you get home, I was so exhausted. It's exhausting just going to the grocery store, right? You're putting things in your cart, onto the belt, back into your cart, into your car, into your home, and then you gotta put everything away. I wonder how many calories you actually burn grocery shopping. Someone look that up. Leave it in the comments. Let's get going on this recipe. It's a oldie but goodie, but oh my gosh, it's so good. I'll have the recipe that you could print out on my blog down below. You're gonna need an onion soup packet, and I'm gonna pour it into some chicken broth that I have in here. This is a cup of chicken broth. You could do a cup water and then 3/4 cup red wine or chicken stock. The chicken stock's already in there. I'm not gonna just put a cup of water because I didn't want to waste my can of chicken broth. So we're gonna do just another cup of chicken broth. It's just more flavor, yum. And I'm just gonna add the onion soup mix packet in here with the chicken broth. And then you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, give this a mix. Pour that down. Oh yes. Remember all that garlic I got at Sam's Club? I'm gonna use pretty much this whole thing on here. You are gonna douse this in garlic, and trust me, you won't regret it. If you love garlic, do it. Do a lot of it. That was a lot. That was a lot. Okay, I'm gonna just start cracking my garlic and getting it all over this bad boy, right on the tops of this. The garlic makes this recipe. It's so good. And if you need a workout, mince some garlic. All right, so we're like halfway through January. How is your grocery budget going? Have you leaned on your pantry a lot? I have had quite a bit of pantry meals, even though that was a big haul. The other night I took some ground beef out of the freezer, took those green peppers from Sam's Club, grabbed from our pantry some elbow macaroni, and I made what my family calls American chop suey, but it's just basically pasta, but with the ground beef and the peppers and the onions. So good. Shaylee, your food is ready. So we made that. We made the tortellini soup. Oh my gosh, that's so good. So good. And I just made it over the stovetop. It's the slow cooker version of it. If you need it fast, like we needed it the other night, I just did it on the stovetop. It was so good. And I only had a little bit of the half and half for the recipe. So I did a little bit of half and half, heavy whipping cream that I had in my refrigerator that I needed to use up, and a can of evaporated milk. Also, with the flour tortillas the other night, we made chicken enchiladas, or when my kids were little, they would call them David Archuladas. Why? I don't know, but it was hilarious. And so we had that. That's a pantry meal. I always keep the green sauce on hand. We always have the flour tortillas in our house. We always have the cheese, always have cheese. So that was a easy meal to pull together. I had a packet of like Knorr's Spanish rice. I had one package left in my pantry. We used that up as a side dish. As crazy as this may sound, that's not enough garlic anymore. Just trust me. Just trust me. So we love blueberry muffins. So the other day, I went through the pantry. I found one more box of the gluten-free muffins, and I made those up. We had some pumpkin pancakes from a mix I needed to use up. That only had a little bit left. Oh, Sunday, I was craving green bean casserole. I had all the makings for the easy, fast green bean casserole, the cream and mushroom soup, the green beans, the French onions. Made that on Sunday after church, and we ate that. We just ate it. Like, we sat down, we watched Annie, we did a puzzle, and we ate green bean casserole. I was just craving it. But I got a really fun idea. You know how I like to make the stovetop chicken casserole? Well, I was like, all right, but I love green bean casserole. What if we just make green bean casserole, put some chopped cooked chicken in there, or shredded cooked chicken, and then put the stuffing on top of that and cook it up? I was like, Derek, this sounds so good. And he's like, that's interesting. I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. And when I do it, I'll share it with you. Because I'm like, okay, you love all the things. You know it's gonna taste good together, because stovetop chicken casserole is basically that. You have the cream soup, you know, you put in your frozen vegetables, and I'm like, it's basically the same thing. So I'm totally gonna do it. Yum. All right, this is a lot of garlic, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, so 4 hours on low, but I was just looking at the clock because time has gotten away from me today. It's already 2 o'clock. I need to be somewhere at 6 o'clock. So I am gonna cook this on high. I have never cooked this recipe on high before. So we're gonna cut the time in half. I won't dry it out too much, but hey, you never know until you do it, right? It's going on high for 2 hours, and I can't wait. This is gonna make the whole house smell so good, you guys. So let me know, how is January going? A lot of people do pantry challenges. What are you doing? What are you using up? Is there things you're creating, new ideas that have come to you, like me and the green bean casserole? It's kind of funny what cravings do, but yeah, let me know how it's going for you. We're gonna stay in budget. There is a K-Slot sale coming up. I don't think it's gonna hit in January, it's gonna hit in February. But so far we're in budget. We're gonna stay under budget for January, so hooray. Recipe for this is down in the description box. Let me know how your month of grocery shopping is going. And remember to click on my link down in the description box for Thrive Market. Or you can go to thrivemarket.com/she's-in-her-apron to get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $60 when you join Thrive Market today. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.